Hello Makkale, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are in a good state of health. Makkale, English is an easy language. உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் பேசணும்னு ஆசையாக இருந்தால் என்னோட அகாடமியில் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். For further information, ஸ்க்ரீனில் டிஸ்பிளே ஆகிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Happy evening. Please have a seat here. What is the problem?
I have a terrible cold.
How long have you had this cold?
I have had this cold for 2 days now.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel feverish.
So you have had both for 2 days, right?
That's right. I feel like sneezing and coughing now. I'm completely exhausted.
It seems like a viral infection. No need to worry. I will prescribe some pills. I hope you will be all right at the completion of the medicine. Take some rest.
Oh no! I'm allergic to pills. I haven't had a pill since my birth.
How about injection?
No. Injection is more dangerous than pills. Kindly prescribe a couple of pills. I will somehow have it.
That's good. You need to drink warm water until the fever, cold and cough subside. It is indeed good to drink warm water every day.
Oh God, I'm not used to drinking warm water.
I understand that it is difficult to drink warm water, but it is advisable.
Okay, doctor, I will try to drink warm water for 3 days. Do I need to follow any particular diet?
Not really. Just eat mild food. Avoid food that takes time for digestion. Don't eat non-veg until you recover.
What? Non-veg is my regular diet. How can I avoid it?
Do you want to recover or not?
Yes, I want to recover.
Then please follow my instructions.
Okay, doctor. Thanks.
Get well soon.
Makkale, I hope you enjoyed the session. I'll meet you in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.